What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. So the market is currently dumping. We're going to take a look at Gala. We'll take a quick look at Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 0.038, down 5% on the day. Sitting in market cap. Let me turn that off for you guys. Just have an Uber Eats delivery on the way. Scroundiliumptious. And the market cap is sitting at 264 million. 24-hour volume, 117 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickets, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit, 30K in bonuses. Check out my full link tutorials. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you completely free access to the Discord of over, let me pop it open here, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala games. So as you can see, we've started to sell off rather swiftly here. I post this in the Discord that I think the high probability is we're going through an ending diagonal and we're going to come down to the bottom of the wedge, and that's exactly what we've done. I just posted it right before we started to break down. So there is support here. Let's drop in the yellow box on the 4-hour time frame. We are coming down to some support in this range. Let me open up my volume indicator. What's up with that? There we go. All right, so we are coming down to support. You can see there is support in between 0.035 and 0.036. And we have this falling wedge pattern. Of course, we can just continue to dump, but if we do hold this support and we can start to bounce, then what we could be looking at is an ending diagonal wave 5, and then we start to break out of this falling wedge. We can head back up to the top of the wedge, which is up here at 0.044. Now, this is crucial support because what we were looking at potentially was a wave 1 up, and let me pull this out here. And this is a wave 2 pullback, but once you break that low, it would invalidate that. So we do need to hold that low in order to maintain this wave count. Otherwise, you'd have to do a recount, and potentially this entire move up could be the wave 1, or we have an overshooting wave B. It depends if we break that low. Then I'll look at a recount for our friend Gala Games. So if we pop over to our next chart, as you can see, we did break out of this descending channel. We were holding the daily EMAs, and that's where we're looking for a bounce, but it looks like we may come back down to retest the support at 0.034. Let me drop it in on this line here. As you can see, we had support right here, a little bit of support in this area as well. So that could be where we're looking to come down to and retest this channel once again. Unless we can hold the current level, we may come down to that level of support. As you can see, BTC broke down from our triangle. What we're looking for is a wave Y of a WXY. Within the wave Y are an ABC, so we came down a wave A, pushed up in a B, and now it looks like we're coming down in that wave C. So we can bounce at any time, but as I mentioned in my Bitcoin video, I do think there's a high chance we're coming down to 25 to 26K. We're already in the 26K range. Come down and touch this yellow box, possibly retest 25K before seeing continuation to the upside, in my opinion. We are currently in a Gala trade. My second entry just got picked up. My stop loss is just below this low here. It's a long trade, so we'll see how that one plays out. The signal was given in the Discord at 10 USD per month. So in the short term, we do need to see a bounce on this level to maintain a 1-2 structure, or we'll have to do a recount if we lose that level of support. As I mentioned, your next level of support is about 0.035, as you can see right here, 0.035. For our friend Gala Games, and that could offer a bounce. If we break that support, then you're basically looking to either come down to about 0.032 or all the way down to that previous low at 0.030. I don't know if we'll come all the way back down to that previous low. I think there's a really good chance we bounce before then. We'll have to see how it plays out. We're obviously oversold here on the hourly with that swift sell-off and the 4-hour time frame as well. So we'll see if we see a reaction from this level of support and are able to push up and break out of this falling wedge. We'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bickit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. I will give you completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, which can be very helpful in your crypto journey, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here, and my HODL all plays $10 a month. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.